Okay, we're really getting into it here. So I figured out what they did. So at one point in time, they decided they could not raise this or was not willing to raise this. And I've jacked it up. It was off about that much. Right now it's pretty darn good. But here's what they did do. So you can see the blocks. So you see the distance there, but then you see this distance. What they did is they ran around the outside and put a little bit of concrete in. It's only about 3/4 of an inch thick on the outer edge, right here. And they just jammed, well actually, no, I'm sorry, it was like this. So this was out. So they basically filled it in so you could not see the gap. But that didn't put any pressure on the inside of these. And this right here is only a 2x4. So they never ran a plate. They just ran this 2x4, put the blocks in, and then filled in just to make it look like it was all solid. But it wasn't, and it's not. So what I need to do is ideally put another 2x4 in, so at least I got a 4x4 plate. But I also need to bring this up, so I'm going to use some treated 1x8s or 1x6. I'm not sure. And then I'm going to have to put a treated one on top of that. So the question is, can I go on the other end now that that's open, and can I put a 2x4 back into here and ideally crawl on the inside and nail it in? But I don't know, I have to look at that next. So anyways, this is the situation. If I can get it supported to this point, I will let the jack back down, and then another day we're going to have to go from here over, but here is going to be a lot of rot. But from right here, it still feels solid. At least this 2x4 feels solid. And then there we can pull that 2x6 back in further, and then we have to go over top of this with some more boards. But that's where we're at. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, and I've been pulling out. The other thing they tried to do is insulate, and they put sheetrock in there to hold the insulation. So that's a bunch of crap I'm pulling out.